through turn 16 we go. Anju's going to try and go the long way around. It's going to be all about the power run to the finish line. Is it going to be Moreira or will it be Anju? They come over the line now, they touch, elbow to elbow, over the line. Anju's got it. Anju has won a magic Moto2 race, sweeping around the outside of Moreira. Moreira here surely thinks he's nailed on for the win, but just look at Anju coming around the outside. They're now going to lock knees, lock elbows. Look at this finish. It does not get any better than this. It does not get any closer than this. Just look at this. How close do you want it? That's it.